Can you buy Minecraft with the Apple gift card? Today we are going to talk about if you can buy Minecraft with Apple gift card. Suppose you have a Apple gift card which looks something like that, and now you want to buy Minecraft. So there are two scenarios. So the first scenario is you want to buy the Minecraft on the App Store. So how can you do that? So as you guys can see, Minecraft is available on the iOS devices like iPad. So you can easily buy it by redeeming the card into App Store. So how can you do that? In order to do that, you need to redeem a cat. So for that, you have to go to your app store. In your app store, you will see a home page, something like that. There you have to tap on your profile, and then after tapping on your profile, you will see this page. Here you have to tap on redeem gift card or code. After tapping on that option, you will see this page. Here you have to either add the gift card code manually, or you can use the camera to scan your gift card. After that, you will easily be able to buy it from the app store. But the second scenario is you want to buy from the Microsoft Store or the PC version one. So how can you do that? So in order to do that, you don't have to actually, redeem the gift card. You can do one thing is you can sell this Apple gift card and have money in your PayPal. So how can you sell it? In order to sell it, you have to go to Google and you need to search for G2A, or you can also go to Raise Marketplace. Now these two are the website which allows you to, as you guys can see, buy and sell discounted gift cards, which means you can sell your gift card right here on this website. So after that, you will get money into your bank account or into your PayPal, which you can easily use to buy Minecraft. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. So